Welcome TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to use group by transformation in Dataflow Gen2 in Microsoft Fabric. So here I have my file in the Lakehouse, and if you will take a look on this data, we have a country and region. So see right here, we have country and region, and then we have sale amount. And my goal is to get this group by data and sum of all these sales, and then insert into the warehouse. So for that one, we can use multiple methods, but here we are going to use the Dataflow Gen2. So let's go to the workspace here and the new item, and then we will choose a Dataflow Gen2. Now I'm going to call this one df underscore group by, and if you guys notice that I'm pretty much covering or trying to cover each of the transformation. The purpose is to also learn for myself and get familiar with all these different tabs, and also kind of teach you guys how to use that. So go to the get data here and go to more here, and then go to the view more, and here we have Microsoft Fabric sources. We are going to use the Lakehouse, and already connection is created. So just it will let you connect or select the Lakehouse that you want, and then it's going to show you the workspaces here, and then you will go to the workspace here, and then you have a Lakehouse, and under the Lakehouse you have those folders. In our case, we have stage folder, and we are going to select that customer sample data file. Once you select the file, you're going to hit create, and it's going to bring you something like this. Now you have everything what you need here, and here is our data. We are going to click right here and use the first row as header, because see, this is read as without header. So I'm going to go ahead and make our first row as header, and then we are going to start working on the group by. So see right here, if you go, let's say there are many ways you can be here, and then right click here, and then you can go group by from here. And once you do that, you're going to get the basic, and here is a group by, and you're saying group by region because you selected that column, and then choose the group by transformation. Now here it is asking you, hey, what you would like to call this new column. I'm going to call this a total sale. And what we will do here, and then it's saying, hey, you can have different operations such as sum, average, median, min, max, and the percentile, row counts, whatnot, so that distinct rows count distinct values, all rows. So there are so many operations are available. Let's go to the sum here, and now we want to do sum by sale amount, and here is a fuzzy group options as well, so depending on the similarity in that value. So our region is pretty good, but if you have maybe mixed up of spellings in the region names and all that, then you can use the fuzzy group option. Now hit OK, and what happened here, let's see if everything works fine. So we have this total sale by region. In this case, if you remember that we didn't see to add more columns, and our interest was to get the region and country and then total sale. Now I'm going to close this right here, or what you can do, you can double click here and then convert to the advanced here. Once you do that, it's going to ask you more questions. Hey, do you want to add more grouping? So yes, and I would like to add a country in this case. Country, and that's it. Now we are going to be all good here, and hit OK. Now this is going to give us the output of a region, country, and then total sale. So now that's the group by is created by region and country, and this is total sale in each of that region and country. That's good. What we can do now, I'm going to experiment a few more things. Let's delete this one from here, and then let's play with some other transformation. After deleting the values, let's go ahead and let's experiment some other operations in the group by. Okay, now let's take a look here, and if you want to play with this a little bit more with the group by, and we see that we have some first names and country. There are some duplicate records here by those. You can see that Spain and Spain here. So there are 2 records for the Spain here, and there are 2 records for Italy. And I can do one thing. I can go to the country here. Then instead of right clicking and going to the group by, you can also go right here and go to transformation and then group by. Once you do that, you're going to go to the advanced here, and then you have a country already selected. Now in this case, maybe we would like to use the distinct rows, so count of distinct rows, or maybe count of distinct values. So you can use whatever you want to use. So let's say if we will do count rows, let me take count rows here, and then we are good here. Let's take a look on the country, and then we will do the distinct as well later on. So you see right here we have United States only one, and then we're Spain for 2 values, and then you have Italy for 2. So if you are not interested in that part, double click here, and now if we go and say count distinct rows, so you can use that function as well, and here it is going to show you now those values. So there are so many options available for you. Those you can play, and that's going to be very helpful to you, especially when you are doing the transformation of your data from and cleaning up your data. So let's say if we want to explore more here, and if we would like to do country and region, so in this case I'm going to go ahead and region here, and then a country here, and then we will go and say, guess what, I would like to get the max value by region and country, and then I will be getting a sale amount. So I will say max sale. So it's going to be by region and country. So that's going to give us the max sale amount, and you can see right there. So we have Europe here, and this is the max 950, and you can see right there. And then you have also values from different country, region and country as well. So if I will delete or go back here, so let me show you. So you can have Spain here. If you remember that Spain, actually there was the same value, so that's why it showed us only one. So anyways, you have those options, and you can click back and forth to preview, and it's going to show you all those. So here we were using the region and country and getting the sale max amount. So I hope these different features kind of give different ideas how you can use these transformations in your scenarios, and I hope you have learned something good out of it. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.